Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at ICAST 2024 and we're in the Lowrance booth here. Also Simrad, but we've actually got some really cool new products from Lowrance. The one thing that I was really excited about when I heard about it, because, you know, here on the channel, I've got a lot of great viewers like yourself that don't necessarily want to invest a ton of money. What's up, man? A ton of money into, forward-facing sonar. It can get really expensive. There's so many advancements in technology right now that, yeah, it does get expensive. And for many of you out there, it's just not feasible. You're going out on the weekend, maybe you fish some derbies here and there, but you don't want to be spending, tens of thousands of dollars. But Lowrance recognized that. That's the great thing about Lowrance, is they really do listen to the consumers. And so what they've come out with is a bundle that is really, there's just no reason not to like this bundle. It's called the Eagle Eye. So the Eagle Eye is the Eagle 9 unit, but it's combined with this new Eagle Eye transducer. It's forward-facing sonar, similar to Active Target. It's just down and forward, all right? But you don't even need a black box for it. It plugs right into the back of the Eagle 9, and that bundle together is $1,000. That is by far, you can't even buy a transducer for that much, an Active Target transducer for that much. So just the simple fact that you can have both of those things, you don't need the extra black box, it goes straight from your trolling motor to the unit, and it's $1,000. I think this is one of the coolest and most relevant bundles on the market right now. So really excited that they did that. So if you guys are looking to get into forward-facing sonar, of course I've been working with Bassmaster.com for a long time. I'm sure that they're going to be carrying this. I'm not sure when, so I can't make any promises. I don't even know when this is actually going to be on the market, probably a few months. But overall, this is something that you're looking to get into forward-facing sonar, but you don't want to lose your entire wallet over it. This is going to be a great deal. So check out the Eagle Eye at LowranceFishing.com, and soon to be BassBoatElectronics.com. So anyways, guys, just wanted to show you those new products. I need to learn more about these recon trolling motors, because I think those are pretty spectacular too, and they might apply to your style of fishing. So I'll do another video specifically on those pretty soon. So thank you, guys. I'm going to see you out on the water. Make sure you trust the process.